This is OXO pop containers for spaghetti and more. This is made of clear plastic. The quality I think is pretty good. If I press really hard, it can just barely, you can squeeze it. So put this one in and press it, and it's airtight, really tight. You just cannot open it by hand. And this looks really nice, and you can put in your cupboard. Really good. And push that, and then open again. This is a box of spaghetti I just opened, and I want to put that in to see how it works. Okay, I think the one container you can easily put 2 bags of spaghetti. I think just 4 pounds should be alright. And now it's the less than half, and this is a 2-pound package. And it's very easy and looks really nice. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.